For complaint that the generator is not charging or is charging with very small power to the battery, you'd better please pay attention to these settings, charge current and generator power. For example, it sets generator power at 5,000 volts, but meanwhile, the charge current 200 amperes. Now, apparently, the charging current is too large for the generator's power. So, the inverter, the system don't run. Okay, you change charge current a bit smaller, 50 amperes. So it's a valid setting. Okay. Meanwhile, please pay attention to battery the charge current setting. Okay. For example, you set here is 50 amperes, but for the battery page you set 20 amperes. So the result will be the generator charge current with 20 amperes. Okay, not 50. Okay, if you want charge the battery with 50 amperes, you need to increase the charge current for battery at least 50, or maybe 60, or 100, or 8. Yeah, this value has to be larger than this value so that it can charge with this value.